Guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with a plan with me for about a month ago. This plan with me was for July 29th through August 4th. I'm very behind on plan with me as well. I guess only 4, and I have 2 completely filmed. This one and a different one. So I just need to do voiceovers for them. But yeah, if you guys can hear anything in the background, that is because I am filming this during the day and people are working. I think I'm going to stop saying that though. And if anybody comments, that you guys could just let them know that I voice over where people work, so you're gonna hear some silhouettes in the background, maybe some footsteps, maybe some banging around, but I kind of moved into this little closet thing to do this, so I hope it's a little less noisy for you guys. But this was the week of the SPC planner party. It was a very, very busy week. This week and the next week were highly stressful for me. But in the end, everything worked out, and I think that this party was really, really amazing, especially with the amount of people. I was definitely worried because we've never done a party this big, but it turned out really awesome, and everyone was very happy. So let's go ahead and get into the base. I didn't really know what I was going to use this week, so I kind of pulled out the full boxes that came with the kit, along with the full boxes that came in the swag. If you were at the party, or if you've seen the party swag, you know that there was an extra set of full boxes that you could kind of extend this kit along with. There was a wiggle, like a navy wiggle you could totally use to kind of extend the kit as well, and you could use your leftovers to make another spread. So I ended up just using the regular party boxes just because they were super Gatsby vibes and 20s vibes. So I know a lot of people are using this kit for New Year's Eve. I will have, I believe, one other new custom kit coming, as well as a kit that I reformatted from last year that I think turned out really cute, and I added some kind of newer touches, which I think really made it extra special. So I will have those 2 options, as well as this is a great option for New Year's Eve, and then obviously there will be probably options of art that I do not know about, because some art that I do use is not custom exclusive to me. It is available to anyone who wants to purchase it and purchase a commercial license to sell it, and I don't know about those arts prior. So that's why a lot of the times when people ask me, are you coming out with any more Halloween kits? Are you coming out with any more of this? I don't know, just because artists don't tell me hey, I'm going to post this at this time. Some let me know ahead of time, but most do not. So that is why I don't know how many New Year's Eve kits I'll have, but I know for certain I will have this one, and then I have at least 2 more options for you guys. The one I feel could kind of be used for New Year's week, if you wanted to kind of use it, or not New Year's week, January. I feel it would be really cute to use besides just for celebrating New Year's, and this one would also be cute just to have around, because I know a lot of people do kind of 20s themed parties all the time and things like that, or just a general party, or maybe just an alternative wedding kit if you don't want to use something super lovey. It's just kind of a cute party kit. So I used gold foil with this. I did use some of the quotes, the planner friends make the best friends, and then the SPC planner party one. Those are currently still in the shop if you want to pick those up. I did go ahead on those 2 boxes and also layer on extra foil bits, extra full box overlays, just to make it extra sparkly. I wanted this to be extra gold and fun. I used the countdown on the bottom, and then I placed it on last week as well. I think it turned out super, super cute, and I put all the munchkins on the side. It's so cute. I love this spread. I love the colors. I just think it's very party with the gold on top of the darker colors. I just think it really, really pops. So on Monday, honestly, I don't remember any of these plans because it was a month ago, so I'm going to try my hardest. So on Monday, I did design, and then I did go to work. I think I did something with maybe Kirsten that day, or maybe Emily, because I have another person with me. So I don't remember what I did, but I did something. And then I put in FaceTime Jessica. For the design one, I used a scribbler, and then for both work and FaceTime with Jessica, I did use a toffee bananas girl. Then on the bottom half, I did use a squared off quarter box. I guess it's a quarter box, a third box, squared off box, and I marked family time with the custom funchkins of me, Nick, and Bennett. Mark actually did draw a munchkin of me and Bennett, and I'm really excited to print it out and use it. Actually, I have to ask Kirsten because I'm pretty sure I sent her those files and I don't have them. Then I put in film with a paper and milk little Polaroid camera, and then at the bottom I put in that Nick and I watched Chernobyl with a little CD stickers TV icon, and that was that. Did I finish Chernobyl that day? I might actually finish Chernobyl that day, which I think it was a pretty good show. It got kind of slow, but I feel like it's a quick, easy watch. So definitely watch it if you haven't already. On Tuesday, I did go to Target. I feel like Target isn't something special, but I love it. Oh my God, did you guys see that there is like Disney stores coming into like Targets, like little baby Disney boutiques gonna be in Targets? I am dying because one of them is like near me and I'm so hyped. So hyped. I was like super like hoping it was because there's only one in Austin and it's in North Austin and I'm like kind of in North Austin. Yeah, I'm in North Austin, so it like works out. But then I went to Starbucks. I haven't had Starbucks honestly, like I think maybe the next week I had Starbucks like 1 or 2 times, but I haven't had Starbucks in I think like 2 to 3 weeks. I'm gonna say 3 weeks at this point. I just haven't been in the mood. And then I had done some party prep that day. I think maybe the day before, me and Emily worked on I don't know. We might have worked on the I'm gonna say on Monday we probably worked on the D-stash boxes, which was really fun, and then Tuesday we might have worked on just like putting everything else together. I think that day actually I might have been by myself, and then I took all the D-stash boxes and like saran wrapped them together for easier like moving purposes, which was quite like interesting. I watched a movie while doing it. I think that's what I did that day, because I watched that movie with Seth Rogen and that blonde lady. It was like kind of like, obviously you knew what was gonna happen, but it was kind of cute. Then it was like the presidential one, like the girl's like running for president or something and he like loves her or whatever. The trailer, I feel like you could probably figure out the whole thing. Then I cuddled with Bubba, I took a shower, and I filmed. I've been marking showers sometimes because sometimes I've been taking like really long showers, so they've been really like inhibiting my day. I do shower other times, but these are like, those long showers. That was a long shower. Then on Wednesday I did go to work. I did labels because I used a little paper and milk, little sticker, and then I put in new releases. Oh yeah, we did new releases on Wednesday this week, which was honestly like really, really amazing. Like it worked out in like everyone's favor. Like at work, like everything just went so smoothly with new releases on Wednesday, and it just kind of changed our lives. So we did new releases on Wednesday this week because during the weekend we were doing a sale for party goers. So we wanted to make sure that everybody had enough time to buy new releases. And then I put in so annoyed. I don't remember what happened. I think it was like personal related, but I was super annoyed. Then we got Velvet Taco, and Bennett threw a huge tantrum apparently. I watched Bachelorette. I took a nap with quotation marks. I don't know what that means. And then I don't remember. It's honestly too far away. I cannot do voiceovers this late because I don't have any stories, because it's all like been discarded from my memory. Anything that's not big is gone. And then I put Tidy Up with the little Once More with Love maid munchkin. And I'm so excited that she actually did mini sheets of these. I don't know if they're still available or if it was like a weekend only thing, but she did do mini sheets of the cleaning stickers. And I picked up more of the maids. I like the maids because I feel like they match more spreads. Some of them had like purple and orange on them, and that doesn't match a lot. So I really like those. So I got a couple sheets of those whenever she released them in single sheets. On Thursday, I picked up Jessica from the airport, and we got Kava for lunch, which Kava opened up near the Domain, and it's really good. They have like pitas and stuff, and it was really, really like, the first time we went, it was a great experience. Everyone there's always really friendly, and I really like the type of like, I don't know, like the line kind of places. Like I guess like Chipotle is like that, but there's a lot of places that I like to eat that are like you stand in a line and go through, like you like pick your items as you go, and it's like a assembly line. But I really like those style places. Kind of like around here we have like Cabo Bob's, we have Cilantro, which is like that, Salada is like that. I just really like the whole like you go in and you see all the items and you pick what you want. It's fun. Then afterwards, we brought that home and ate it, and then we went to Forever 21 and Zara, and I don't remember what I bought, but I feel like I bought some stuff. I don't remember. And then Jessica and I went to Dip Dip Dip, which was so good. So good. And I actually have a reservation for like mid-September that I'm really looking forward to. Then we went to Target, because that's what we do whenever we're really bored, is we're like, what can we do? Oh, let's go to Target. So we went to Target, and then we baked brownies and watched Jane the Virgin series finale. The world worked out for us. I think the series finale was the day before. She saw a spoiler. I didn't. I don't feel like I'd never see spoilers for anything. I feel like I'm not on like Twitter, and I don't have like a real Facebook, so I feel like I avoid most of them. So yeah, I didn't see any spoilers, and I really liked the way that it ended. I feel like everything was like wrapped up, and it was overall really good. I'll probably rewatch it in like 5 years. A show that I've been meaning to rewatch is Desperate Housewives. I really loved that show, and I feel like there's been enough time since I watched it for the first time that I feel like I could watch it again and really like it. Like enjoy it. Like I forgot enough to like be like, ooh, what, that happened? Oh my goodness, I totally forgot. Then we got Wendy's. Well, actually, Nick went and got us Wendy's. And then on Friday, I got Starbucks in the morning, and then I had to pack up to go to the hotel for the party. We did get room service for lunch, I believe it was, and Bree and Bruce did show up. I didn't put that in my planner, but like I know that they showed up like right before we got room service. And they had actually were supposed to show up Thursday night, but their flight was canceled. A lot of people's flights were messed up. There was like a storms in the east, I think. I'm not sure. And then we just chilled in the room because we knew that we had a big couple of days ahead of us. And then couple days, yeah, I guess so. And then we set up the ballroom pretty late at night just so that we didn't have to do it in the morning because we knew getting ready would be like a whole thing. And then me, Amanda, and Jessica, like, she dictated everything into her notes as far as like the plans, and then I just put them in my planner. But she put 3 peas in a pod, which I thought was cute because me, Jessica, and Amanda shared a bed, which actually didn't seem like that bad. I feel like I'm so used to sharing a bed with Nick and Bennett is like total bed hog, so I feel like sharing a bed with them was pretty easy. Then on Saturday in the morning, we did get room service while Bree did everyone's hair because she's amazing. And then we did makeup. I feel like I put everyone's eyelashes on, but I just feel like the eyelash glue that I have is so good. Like, I've tried so many glues, and I feel like I just have really sensitive eyeballs. And like all glues, usually just like things just fall off my face and then or they burn. So I found this glue that I love. So yeah, I'm like obsessed with it, and it just stays on so long. I could have slept with my eyelashes on. I love it. I love the glue. Then we did have the SPC party, which was super, super fun. It always flies by really fast. Like, it's 5 hours, I think. And it always seems like 5 minutes, but it was super fun. I put in fangirl moment with a little munchkin of me and Marg. I should have switched those. I don't know why I did that. I put like a munchkin and the munchkin. I should have switched them to being the other side. Is this out of order? Oh no, I might have just be putting those in. Okay. So yeah, I put in fangirl moment because it was just like so fun seeing so many people some people I haven't met, some people I haven't seen in a while, some people I saw like last week. But you know, then we had pizza, which I put a little middle finger munchkin because it took so long. We figured out that they could have walked to get the pizza faster, and like it was like 3 hours. It was so long. We were all starving. Everyone was gonna eat each other's feet. Like, it was so long. So that was I don't think it was Favor because I just refused to use Favor. I think it might have been, or was it Favor? I don't know, but they were really annoying, and they weren't even like apologetic. They were just very like, oh, whatever. Then I put in Planner Friends Make the Best Friends, and then a little munchkin. These stickers, the fangirl moment and the Planner Makes the Best Friends, are from Kirsten's friend Brittany, and I thought they were really cute, so I used them, and they match the kit colors perfectly. Then on Sunday, we woke up to go to Bangers with Kittenish Jess and her friend Addie Plants. I believe it's Addie Plants. Is it Addie Plants? I hope so. But we went to that place to eat breakfast because it was on Rainy Street, and the hotel was right near Rainy Street. And the breakfast was delicious. It was so good. And then we went to SPC headquarters. Well, we met up with Carolyn, Mandy, Annie, Marg. Was that it? I feel like there was one other person. Maybe not. I'm sorry if I'm missing you. I think that might have been it. But we went over to the Scribble headquarters, and they all went shopping. It was like a 2-hour ordeal, and it was really cute because they all got to like run around and grab a bunch of stuff that they wanted. And yeah, so I put that in with just a girl from Stick with the Plans Co. sitting in a pile of washi. And then Nick went and got us velvet taco for lunch, and we all went over to my house and ate that. Then I did put in, I think most of the people left, and then Marg, Jessica, Bree, and Bruce stayed till Tuesday. So Bree was like, every time that she came, she never really had time to go to the Domain, so she wanted to spend some time in the Domain. So we decided to go over there, and we met up with Emily, and we went to Amazon Bookstore, we went to Sephora, and I put this all in like a bougie box, and like it's one of the it's actually a bougie extender, and I cut it in half. And you can use your Erin Condren, the new ruler, to cut it in half because it's 1.9 inches, which is really cool. I didn't realize that until I was doing it with a spread. But you can do that, and then you can use a squared off box to make a bougie, like, full box extender for your bougie, for your regular half box. That makes no sense, but, like, this is, like, a video, and I'm, like, lost already. Then we went to Sephora, and we all kind of went a little bit crazy. We went to Lush, and then we went to the Yard. What's the Yard? Oh, the milkshake place. They opened up a milkshake place at the Domain, so we went over there. No one got a milkshake. We all just got ice cream. And then afterwards, we went up to Target because Marg doesn't have Targets in Canada, so that was kind of like her request. So we went up to Target and just kind of went crazy. And then afterwards, we went to H Mart because it was close and we were hungry. And yeah. Well, actually, it was a little bit till after we went to Target, and then we went to H Mart, like, pretty late. But, you know, we went to H Mart, and I got some Korean fried chicken, which was really good, and some, like, noodles that me and Jessica shared, because that's how we roll. But that's everything for this week. I'm sorry if this voiceover was totally whack. It didn't follow the, like, flow of things at all, but I'm tired, and voiceovers are a lot of work. If you do voiceovers, you know, and, like, trying to recollect a month ago is just painful. But I hope you guys like this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!